Imagine walking into your backyard and seeing a towering, lush green wall that gives you total privacy, without paying for expensive fence panels, without permits, and without worrying about bamboo running wild into your neighbor's yard. What if I told you that nature has already solved the privacy problem for centuries, long before the fencing industry or bamboo sellers claimed to have the fastest solution? Across the U.S., from forgotten homesteads to old farm hedgerows, there are plants that grow faster than bamboo, form impenetrable barriers, improve your soil, attract birds and pollinators, and in some cases even produce food or fragrant blooms, all legally and naturally. These are the same plants that shaped early American farms, kept livestock safe, and inspired inventions like barbed wire because they were so effective at creating living fences. In this video, I'm going to reveal 14 green privacy champions, plants you can grow yourself right in your yard that deliver rapid growth, total coverage, and long-term resilience without any of the headaches that come with traditional fencing. By the end, you'll know exactly what to plant this spring to get instant privacy, beauty, and function while reconnecting with the ancient landscaping wisdom your great-grandparents knew all along. Stick around because some of these plants grow so fast they practically reach the sky, and one of them even changed American history forever.
Hybrid willow, nature's speed demon. If you're looking for instant privacy, nothing compares to the hybrid willow, which has been engineered to grow at staggering speeds of 6 to 10 feet in a single season, meaning that a bare stick planted in April can tower over your yard by September without ever invading your neighbor's space. And unlike bamboo, it stays where you plant it because its roots are contained and fibrous, thriving equally well in soggy soil that would drown most other plants, or in dry areas once established. And the beauty of this tree is not just speed, but propagation, because you can take cuttings in late winter, stick them in the ground, and almost every one will root successfully, giving you unlimited free plants to extend your privacy wall. So plant them about 5 feet apart, and within 2 growing seasons, you'll have a dense green screen that blocks views, wind, and noise, making hybrid willow the ultimate solution for anyone who wants fast, reliable, and low-maintenance living privacy without the headaches of bamboo.
Empress tree, the world record holder. For those who want the absolute fastest growing living fence on Earth, the Empress tree, scientifically known as Paulownia tomentosa, is unmatched, with verified growth rates of 10 to 15 feet per year under ideal conditions, which means that by planting it in early spring, you could have a full, dense privacy screen by late summer, and its enormous heart-shaped leaves create deep shade, providing visual coverage almost instantly, while also adding a dramatic touch with stunning clusters of purple flowers that bloom before the leaves emerge, offering both beauty and function. And the tree is remarkably resilient because even if cut to the ground, it will regrow faster the second time, making it highly adaptable for shaping and maintaining a hedge of any height. Though it's important to check local regulations, as some states consider it potentially invasive. And when planted 8 to 10 feet apart, it forms a fast, natural barrier that is truly unmatched for anyone who wants maximum coverage in the shortest time, while combining aesthetic value and practical screening in a single planting.
Leyland cypress, America's evergreen classic. Homeowners seeking a reliable evergreen privacy solution that looks good year-round, the Leyland cypress is an American favorite. With consistent growth of 3 to 4 feet per year and soft, feathery foliage that remains green even through harsh winters, creating a visual barrier without the peaks and valleys in growth that other fast-growing plants experience. And it is particularly suited for coastal properties because it tolerates salt spray while requiring minimal maintenance, only a yearly trim to maintain density. and planted 6 to 8 feet apart, it forms a uniform, thick hedge within 3 seasons, making it an ideal choice for creating a living fence that combines beauty, reliability, and performance. Plus, its non-invasive nature ensures that it stays put, never spreading into neighboring yards or causing disputes, which is why millions of American homeowners continue to rely on Leyland cypress for privacy, windbreaks, and aesthetic appeal, while enjoying the peace of mind that comes with a hardy, proven screening plant. Thuja Green Giant, the survivor. If resilience is your top priority, the Thuja Green Giant earns its name by thriving in a wide range of climates, from cold Zone 5 winters to hot Zone 9 summers, growing 3 to 5 feet annually while maintaining a natural pyramidal shape that requires very little pruning. And it's largely deer-resistant, nearly pest-free, and extremely hardy, making it ideal for properties where other evergreens might struggle. And planting 5 to 6 feet apart creates a dense, fragrant privacy screen that blocks views and noise while remaining low maintenance and aesthetically pleasing, unlike bamboo, which spreads uncontrollably. And the green giant's adaptability to various soil types, tolerance of drought once established, and consistent growth pattern make it a perfect choice for anyone seeking a long-lasting, dependable living fence that performs well year after year in most parts of the continental United States without causing foundation or neighbor issues. Privet, the ancient boundary. For those drawn to tradition and classical landscaping, privet is a hedge with a history spanning 2,000 years, used by Romans to mark boundaries, and it continues to impress modern gardeners because it tolerates extreme pruning, growing 2 to 3 feet annually while responding beautifully to shaping. And even if neglected, it still performs reliably, creating dense coverage. Semi-evergreen varieties retain leaves through winter. Deciduous types grow even faster, and fragrant white flower clusters attract pollinators, making it functional as well as aesthetically pleasing. And when planted 12 to 18 inches apart, it forms an almost impenetrable barrier in a few seasons, offering a living wall that combines heritage, versatility, and practicality, proving that some traditional plants are still the best solution for creating formal hedges and natural privacy screens that work exactly as intended. Lombardy poplar, the green column. For vertical privacy, nothing beats the Lombardy poplar with its tight columnar growth that shoots straight up, reaching heights of 40 to 60 feet while remaining only 10 to 15 feet wide, making it perfect for narrow yards or blocking elevated views. And young trees can grow 6 to 8 feet in a single year, establishing a dramatic green wall quickly, while planting 6 to 8 feet apart creates continuous coverage. And although its lifespan is shorter than some trees at 15 to 20 years, smart gardeners plant replacements staggered to maintain uninterrupted privacy, making the Lombardy poplar ideal for anyone needing height, speed, and elegance in a living screen that creates an immediate vertical shield while looking natural and striking along property lines. Eucalyptus, the aromatic barrier. Eucalyptus offers privacy plus natural pest control, as its aromatic oils repel mosquitoes, flies, and other insects, while the fast-growing species reach 6 to 8 feet per year, with silvery blue foliage adding interest all year. And planting 8 to 10 feet apart produces a dense hedge that can also be coppiced to maintain height or allowed to grow into small screening trees, while the leaves themselves can be harvested for household or craft use, making eucalyptus a multi-purpose living fence that combines beauty, functionality, and natural insect defense, creating a green barrier that smells as good as it looks and requires minimal intervention once established. Mulberry, the edible screen.
The mulberry tree is perfect for homeowners who want privacy and food in one, producing dense branched coverage while growing 3 to 6 feet annually with summer berries that taste like a mix of blackberry and grape, attracting birds and serving as a decoy crop to protect other garden plants while thriving in poor soil, drought, and heat. And planted 6 to 8 feet apart, it creates a functional living fence that continues producing year after year, giving shade, visual coverage, and harvestable fruit, making mulberry a practical choice for anyone who wants a hedge that feeds both people and wildlife while creating fast, reliable privacy in the yard. Black locust, the soil builder. Black locust is unique because it improves the soil while providing a living fence, fixing nitrogen into the ground to benefit surrounding plants while growing 4 to 6 feet per year, with fragrant flowers that feed pollinators and sharp thorns that discourage trespassers, creating a multi-purpose hedge that not only blocks views but enriches the land beneath it. And planting 6 to 8 feet apart forms a barrier that is both secure and ecologically beneficial, making black locust a practical and ecological choice for anyone seeking a living fence that grows, protects, and fertilizes simultaneously. Hawthorn, the 1,000-year hedge. Hawthorn has stood the test of time, with hedges planted in Europe before the Norman conquest still standing today, creating dense, thorny barriers livestock cannot penetrate, with white flowers and red berries that feed wildlife and humans alike, growing 2 to 3 feet per year while lasting for centuries. And planted 12 to 18 inches apart, it forms a hedge that provides protection, longevity, and beauty, making it a hedge that outlives modern wooden fences and continues to be a testament to the wisdom of traditional, natural fencing methods. Rose of Sharon, the flowering wall. For a hedge that combines privacy with seasonal beauty, Rose of Sharon grows 2 to 3 feet annually, forming dense, twiggy coverage even in winter, while large hibiscus-like flowers bloom midsummer through fall, attracting hummingbirds and butterflies, with colors ranging from white to deep purple. And planted 4 to 6 feet apart, it creates a flowering privacy screen that thrives in heat, drought, and poor soil, self-seeding to fill gaps naturally, making it perfect for gardeners who want a hedge that's functional, vibrant, and wildlife-friendly. Osage orange, the historical barrier. The Osage orange tree is famous for shaping American history because frontier farmers planted dense, thorny hedges that were so effective at fencing livestock that the shortage of these hedges inspired the invention of barbed wire. Growing 3 to 4 feet per year with extremely thorny branches, forming a natural, impenetrable barrier, lasting decades as both a living fence and durable wood for posts, making it a hedge that provides security, history, and practicality, still used today for perimeter screening in farms and even prisons. Hybrid poplar, the complete package. Hybrid poplar combines speed, reliability, and practicality, growing 5 to 8 feet per year, forming full privacy in 2 to 3 seasons, with fibrous, contained roots that won't invade foundations or neighbors' yards, tolerating both wet and dry soil, dense summer foliage for screening, and bare root transplants that ship easily and affordably, making it the ideal, fast-growing living fence for anyone who wants maximum coverage without invasive problems, giving homeowners a hedge that's efficient, easy to plant, and long-lasting. While bamboo often steals the spotlight, these 14 plants, from hybrid willow and Empress tree to Osage orange and hybrid poplar, outperform bamboo in growth, containment, and legality, offering privacy, beauty, soil benefits, wildlife habitat, and even edible yields. And by selecting species suited to your climate, planting bare root stock in early spring, and spacing appropriately, homeowners can create lasting living fences that perform immediately and thrive for decades, reconnecting with centuries of natural landscaping wisdom while enjoying practical, legal, and hassle-free privacy.
And there you have it.
14 incredible plants that grow faster than bamboo, create lasting privacy, and stay exactly where you plant them, all without permits, lawsuits, or messy maintenance. From the speed demon hybrid willow to the historical Osage orange and the all-around powerhouse hybrid poplar, these green champions proved that nature already solved the problems the fencing industry wants to sell us back to us. Your great-grandparents knew it. They planted hedges that lasted generations, and now it's your turn. Pick one or two of these plants that match your climate and goals. Get bare root stock this winter and plant in early spring. By next fall, your yard will have a living wall that's beautiful, functional, and completely natural. If this video opened your eyes to the power of nature's solutions, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment telling me which plant you'll try first, and join Peaceful Green Gardens for more tips on turning your yard into a privacy paradise that keeps giving year after year.